What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video where we did the installation for the top box for the Triumph Scrambler, and this one was from a local vendor. I believe the brand is called as JB Racing, and this one costed us roughly around like 7,000, which also included the fitting and the drilling for the top box frame. This one was a fiber made one, and the reason why we picked this up is because it could house the rally helmet, and that is where we wanted that, and it goes in the grooves and sits very firmly into the top rack. So yeah, we also had the 50-liter one, but that was becoming too big.
ये कितना है ये? अच्छा ये this is what 40 50 जो
5 sorry
फ्रंट से करा हुआ दो
हाँ या
हो ना ये लगाना चाहिए तो
अच्छा तो बुलेट उसको
बटन ऐसे प्रेस करना है, नीचे पुल, इसको पुल आप दैट इंस्टॉल।
नहीं अभी ये लॉक हो गया ना?
ये यहाँ पे
नहीं हो गया, अब पूरा हो गया।